Let's learn our ABC together. Are you ready? Let's go.
A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dog. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for goat. H. H is for house. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for jug. K. K is for kettle. L. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for nurse. O. O is for orange. P. P is for pot. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for rat. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tortoise. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. W. W is for whale. X. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for yam. Z. Z is for zip.
Great job! You just learned the alphabet. See you next time.